Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about what is attribute in HTML5. So attribute is defined as attributes is much information about the elements. Attribute provide additional information about the content of an element. They appear on the opening tag. They are always appear on the opening tag, like in this you will see. I will write attributes in p tag. They appear on the opening tag of the elements are made up to two parts. First one is attributes, and second one that is written in double quotation is the attributes value. Attributes indicate what kind of information you are applying about the element content. It should be written in lowercase. It should be attributes value should be written in double quotations. In this example, an attribute called lang is used to indicate the language used in these elements. The value of these attributes on this page specific. It is US English. And in the last note is that HTML5 slow you to use uppercase, show you to uppercase an attribute name. And thanks for watching.